Hey guys, welcome back or welcome to my channel if you're new here. So today in this video I will be decorating my room for Christmas and I'll be showing that to you guys because it's December and it's Christmas season, although for me in November it was already starting to become Christmas season. So it will actually be more of like a decorate like with me like on a budget low-key decorating because I'm broke and I don't have the money to spend a lot of money on Christmas decorations, even though all the decorations I basically used are my parents'. Also, I tried to look cute in this video by doing these two space buns, and to be honest, they kind of failed. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel down below and hit that notification bell so you know when I upload and don't miss a video. And let's get decorating with me and listen to Christmas music because why not?
I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about. Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about? I can tell you what Christmas is all about.
Chestnuts roasting, Jack Frost nipping at your nose. So I'm offering this simple phrase. Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas to you. Chestnut roasting, Jack Frost nipping at your nose. So I'm offering this simple phrase. Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas to you.
I can tell you what Christmas is all about.
Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas.
That's what Christmas is all about.